Hello students, my today's video for the class 8th, and in this video we will solve the exercise 6.1 of the chapter square and the square roots. So let's start the exercise, and the first question of this exercise is follow the given pattern with the numbers 1, 4, 9, 16 and the 25. So in this question the first one number is 1 and the second one is 4, third one is 9, then 16 and 25, and we have to write down the next two number in this pattern. So first we should know that is the 1 is the square of the 1 is given. किस क्वेश्चन का पैटर्न क्या है उसके लिए हमने पहले देखा कि 1 जो है 1 का स्क्वायर लिखा हुआ है. नेक्स्ट वन विच इज द स्क्वायर ऑफ 2. द थर्ड वन 9 इज द स्क्वायर ऑफ 3 and the next one is the square of 4 and the further one is square of and the next one is the square of 5. So in this pattern we will get the next one number the square of 6, it will be 36, and again we will get the next one number the square of 7, it will give you the 7 sevens are 49. So the 36 and the 49 are the two numbers in the given pattern. So 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, then 36 and then 49. So this is the squares. Now come to the next one question. In this question we have to find out the numbers which are the perfect squares. So now the first one part of this question is the 81. The 81 is given and we have to find out that is the 81 is a perfect square or not. So first to find out the perfect square we have to find out the factors of the 81. So the 81 should be divisible by the 3 because 8 plus 1 the number of digits add and we get the 9, and which is divisible by 3, it means the 81 is divisible by 3. So here we will write the 3, and now 3 2s are 6 and we subtracted the 6 we get the 2, and here the 21 and 3 sevens are 21, again divided by 3, the 3 9s are 27, then again 3 3s are 9, then 3 1s are 3. Now we have the factors 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Now pair the factors. तो हम क्या करते हैं पहले पेयर बनाते हैं, पहला पेयर बन गया ये और दूसरा पेयर बन गया. So now multiplied the 3 multiplied by 3 it gives the 9. तो हमारा ये दिया हुआ 81 है, ये 9 का स्क्वायर है, और अगर हमारे पेयर नहीं बनते हैं तो हमारा दिया हुआ वैल्यू परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नहीं होगा. So this is the method to find out the value is perfect square or not. So find out the factors first, then write them in the multiplication and make the pairs. If the perfect pair is completing, if we can draw the perfect pair, then it will be the perfect square, otherwise it will not be a perfect square. So this is the method to find out the perfect square or the square root also. So here we have found the value of the square root of the 81, which is the 9. Now come to the next one part of this question. This is the 168. Here we have the value 168. So first we have to find out the factors of the 168. So we will write here the 168, which is an even number. So first we will divide it with the 2, and we will get here the 2 8s are 16 and 2 4s are 8. Now again 84 is the even number, so we will divide it with the 2, and we will get here the 2 4s are 8 and 2 2s are 4. Now again the even number we get and we will divide it with the 2, और हम इसको तब तक डिवाइड करते जाते हैं जब तक हमको 1 मिल नहीं जाता. So 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. Now we have the odd number. The 21 is an odd number because at the same ones digit we have the 1, which is an odd number. So here we will divide the 21. So first add the digits. 2 plus 1 is equal to the 3. It means that 21 is divisible by 3. This is the divisibility rule of 3. So here we will start with the 3, and the 3 sevens are 21. Now 7 1s are 7 because 7 is only divisible by the 7. So here write down the factors of in the multiplication format. So 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 into 7. So just make the pair to find out if the value is the perfect square or not. So here we will make the pairs. तो 2 multiplied by 2 हमको एक पेयर मिल गया, लेकिन अब इस 2 का ना ही हमको पेयर मिल रहा है क्योंकि दूसरा 2 नहीं है मल्टीपल में हमारे पास, और ना ही इस 3 का मल्टीपल है और ना ही 7 का कोई दूसरा मल्टीपल दिया हुआ है, तो हमारे पास पेयर नहीं मिला। अब जब पेयर नहीं मिला है तो इससे ये प्रूफ होता है कि ये वैल्यू परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नहीं है। ठीक है, so this is the method to find out the value that it is a perfect square or not. So come to the next one question, which is the 196. Here in the next one part, the value is given the 196, and again we have to find out the factors of the given value 196. So we will write here the 196 and now divide it with the 2 and we get 2 9s are 18 and 18 subtracted from the 19 we get the 1, and here it will be the 16. 2 8s are 16. Now again we have the even number, so we will divide it with the 2. 2 4s are 8 and 2 9s are 18. Now we have the 49 and we know very easily that is the 49 comes in the multiple of 7. So here the 7s are 49, again 7 divisible by 1 7 and it gives 1. और हम ये सीक्वेंस तब तक चलाते हैं, फॉर्मेट तब तक करते हैं जब तक हम 1 तक नहीं पहुंच जाते, तब तक डिवाइड करते रहते हैं. सो हियर वी हैव फाउंड द मल्टीप्लिकेशन फैक्टर्स ऑफ द गिवन नंबर 196. So write them in the multiplication. The 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7. Now here look at the values. The 2 and 2 का हमको एक पेयर मिल गया है और 7 का एक पेयर मिल गया है, तो हम 2 into 7 लिख लेते हैं और ये हो जाता है 14. तो हमें ये पता चला है कि ये 14 का स्क्वायर है, या स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ द 196 इज 14. तो ये परफेक्ट स्क्वायर वैल्यू होगी क्योंकि इसको हमको इसके पेयर भी मिल गए. ठीक है, तो सिमिलरली सॉल्व द नेक्स्ट वन पार्ट ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन विच इज द 14,400 and you can find the value of the square root of this 14,400 and you will get 120 as a square root of the 14,400. So here come to the question number 3rd, which is find out the square of the following numbers. So in this question the first part is 8 and we have to find out the square of the 8. So here we will write 8 का square is equal to the 8 multiplied by 8, or the number multiplied by itself is the value of square. So 8 8s are 64. So this is the value or the square of the given number 8, and 8 is the square root of the given number 64. ठीक है. So now come to the question number, the second part of this question, the 12. The square of the 12. It will be 12 square, then 12 multiplied by 12, and it gives the 144. So 144 is the square of the 12. So this is the way to find out the square of any number. So in this way the next one question number is the 16, and the square of the 16 is 256, which you can find easily by the multiplication of the number with itself. So here part 16 and the 35 can be multiplied by yours. The number fourth one number is the 35. So fourth one part is the 35. So there is another method to find out the value square of this number, the 35. If any number gets like 75, 85, 95 and others, so you can find out easily the multiplication of these numbers. So here I will tell you the method to find out the square of these numbers without making the actual multiplication. So here we will square it. The square of the 35 is equal to 35 into 35. Now multiply the 5 and 5 and it gives 25. 5 5s are 25. Now here in the right side हम इस 3 में 1 ऐड कर देते हैं और हमारा हो जाएगा 4, और इस 3 को 4 करके और इस 3 में मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. 4 3s are 12 और हम इस 12 को इसके आगे लिख देते हैं. सो वी हैव द वैल्यू 1225 और द 1225. दिस इज द स्क्वायर ऑफ द गिवन नंबर, and this is the method to find out the multiplication of the numbers which have the addition of 10 from the ones place, and it will be applied only at the numbers which have the addition of 10, and the टेंस वैल्यूज आर सेम। जैसे कि हमारे पास एक नंबर दिया हो 22 और 28 का मल्टीप्लिकेशन पूछा जा रहा हो, तो हम देखेंगे यहाँ पर 8 और 2, 8 और 2 ऐड करने पर हमको 10 मिलता है, और साथ ही साथ हमारे टेंस के वैल्यूज 2 और 2 सेम हैं। तो हम इस तरह के मल्टीप्लिकेशन में इस मेथड को यूज़ कर सकते हैं। जैसे कि लिखेंगे यहाँ पर 8 और 2 का मल्टीप्लाई करने पर हमको मिलेगा 16। नाउ इस 2 में एक 1 को ऐड कर देंगे, हमारे पास हो जाएगा 3। अब इस 3 का मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे इस 2 के साथ, 3 2 आर 6। So 22 multiplied by 28 gives 616. So this is the way to find out the multiplication for these type of digits, and this rule is called एकः वर्धने। और इस रूल को हम क्या बोलते हैं? एकः वर्धने। This is the method from the Vedic Gadits. I told you in this, and it will be helpful for the square and the square roots to find out the square of any number which has the 5 on its ones place. So come to the next one part of this the question number 4, where you have to find out the square of the given numbers with the column method. Now the fourth question of this exercise is find out the square of the following numbers using the column method. So I told you in my last video about the column method, and the first one part of this question is the 24. So here we will find the value square of the 24 with the column method. So first make the 3 columns and we have to find out the square of the 24. तो पहले क्या करते हैं, हम इस 2 का मल्टीप्लाई कर लेते हैं 2 में, और इधर 4 का 4 में, और अब 2 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 4, मतलब इस नंबर का और इस नंबर का मल्टीप्लिकेशन के साथ ही साथ उसमें 2 का भी मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं। दैट इज द 2ab। यहाँ पर हम अगर हमारे पास नंबर a और b था तो यहाँ पर a इंटू ए हो गया, ये 2 इंटू ए इंटू बी हो गया, और ये हमारा b इंटू बी हो गया। नाउ फाइंड आउट द वैल्यूज। 2 2s are 4, so we will write here the 0 4, and 2 2s are 4 4s are 16, and again 4 4s are 16. Now we will add here 6. इस 6 को हम ऐसे ही लिख देंगे। Now the 6 added with the 1, it gives 7. Again the 4 with 1, 4 plus 1 5. तो 576 is the square। अगर हम इस तरह से एडिशन नहीं कर पा रहे तो इसका एक और तरीका है लिखने का, 0 4 और 16 and again 16. Now add in this manner. So here the 6 or 6 plus 1 7 and 4 plus 1 5. So this is the 576 is the square of the given number by the column method. So the next one part of this question is the number 36. So we have to find out the square of the number 36 with the using column method. So first made the column, and here we will find out the square of the 36. So here we will write the square of first 3, the 3 multiplied by 3, and now the 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 6. The same method followed in the question number 1, and again the multiplication of the ones digit 6 and the 6. Now the 3 3s are 9, it will be written the 0 9. Now the 2 3s are 6 and 6 6 are 36, and now the 6 6 are 36. Add the given values in the manner I told you, that is the 0 9, then 36, then 36. अब इसको ऐड करेंगे तो यहाँ मिल जाएगा हमको 6 प्लस 3 ऐड करने पर हमको मिलेगा 9, एंड 9 और 3 को ऐड करेंगे मिलेगा 12. So this is the value, the 1296 is the square of the given number 36. So here in the same manner you can find out the square of any two digit number. And let me tell you one thing, the square column method only applied for the 2-digit number. This is not applicable for the 3-digit number or the 1-digit number. So here the question number 4 is complete. Now come to the question number 5. Now the question number 5 of this exercise is to find out the square of any number using the diagonal method, and I am again going to tell you that is the diagonal method I told you in my last video. So here we will start the diagonal method, and we have to find out the value of the square of the 88. So here for the square of the 88 we will write here, first draw the square, and then make the diagonals. So here we will write the 8, 8, 8 and the 8. 8 8s are 64. So we will write at the 6 and 4. 8 8 are 64, 6 and 4 here. 8 8s are 64, 6, 4 and again the 6 and the 4. Now add the values diagonally. So हम क्या करेंगे, इस 4 को ऐसे लिख लेंगे, 4 4 8 और 6 14. तो 14 का 4 यहाँ लिखा जाएगा, 1 कैरी में जाएगा. तो अगेन 6 4 10 और 6 16 और 1 17 का 7 कैरी आएगा 1 एंड 6 और 1 7. So this is the 7744 is the square of the number 88 by the diagonal method. So this is the method to find out the square of any number using the diagonal method, and this method is also applied for the values of the two digit values. We can say this is the diagonal method is applied only for the numbers, for the two digit numbers, only for the two digit numbers. Clear? Come to the next one question of this part. Now we have to find out the square of the number 115 by the diagonal method, and here we have the 3 digits. To find out the square we have to make some changement for the square method. So here we will make the 3 parts of a square diagonally, like in the column and in the row. So here the 3 parts will be. So here 1 1 5, the 1 1 and 5. So here make the diagonals of each part. So these are the diagonals drawn. Now multiply the 1 with the 1, it gives 0 1, and 1 with the 1 gives 0 1. Again the 1 with the 5 gives 0 5. Now this one will multiplied with the 1, it gives 0 1, and the 1 multiplied with the 1 gives 0 1 and the 0 5. Again the 5 multiplied with the 1 gives 0 5, and the 5 multiplied with the 1 gives 0 5, and the 5 multiplied with the 5 gives 25. Now add the values diagonally. We will write the 5, and now the 5 plus 2 plus 5, it gives 12. It means the 2 here, 1 हमारा कैरी में जाएगा, and now the 5 plus 5 10 plus 1 11 and 1 12. Then it will be the 2 and carry 1 forward, and 1 plus 1 2 plus 1 3, and now this is the only one. So 13,225 is the square of the given number 115. So in this way we can find out the square of the 3 digit number by the diagonal method. So solve the question of this exercise using these methods and using this video, and hopefully I think this video will be helpful for you to solve the exercise 6.1. and if you get any problem in this exercise, so you can ask me to your WhatsApp group. I will solve the question of this exercise there on the WhatsApp group. Thank you.